Right, Kev. Alright, buddy. Afternoon. Right, Davey. Right, heat wave. Aye, I've not done a wee cooking video for ages, right? And I've not ate rump steak for a long time, a while. Normally it's just mince or like stewing steak, chicken. Well, as you know, it's always chicken, right? But we're getting that big massive deal, man. So going to need to do something cool with the steaks. Look at those bad boys. Do you know what I mean? Look at them. So earlier on, I used a few ingredients. Do you know what I mean? Like I used Henry's chili and lime seasoning. It says fish, right? But you can use it wherever you want. And Badger's scorpion. And the lemon drop. Right, Jonathan. Right, Spice Climber. Hey, Dale. And then Mario Atani, his salt, his Reaper salt. So, into that little hingy, and on these steaks are going to be awesome. So I'm just getting the pans, the hingies are hot here. Oh. Fry off my. So, in the pan, using hot pods, lava flow. These oils are amazing. This is the one I'm using. I've got the both of them. Get them, man. I love using these products that all the producers make. Fantastic. You know what I mean? Get the onions on the go. Onions and mushrooms. Get them done. Because all I'm going to do is I'm just going to sear off the steaks and make my gravy. So I've got a mushroom and onion gravy, which is going to have, I say, goddamn, fruit, and then just sear the steaks off into the oven, keep them hanging for later, and these are going to be banging. But there's something that I'm going to put through it once it's all ready to go into a wee dish, right? I like mixing up these nuts. Badger's nuts are amazing, right? What I always do is, I'll get the 2 packs, right? As you can see, these ones on the open, right? But what I do is, I open them up, I open both them up, and put them into a big bowl, and then spoon them back in, so both packs are mixed. So, these are going into the end as well, so I just need a good bit of these crunched up for later. I just love doing this with nuts. Great. Alright, Stu. Right, Tony. Aye. Just need to hook this box. And then just smash up Badger's nuts. Do it any way you want, do you know what I mean? Like, try and get them as fine as you want so they're not crunchy or half and half. Look at them. Ooh, that'll be good to go on top of the steaks when they're in. Even just frying off that onion and mushroom together smells amazing in that chilli oil. Aye. Start with the big boy. Let's see that bad boy off. So this is just going to make it the gravy so nice and sweet and sticky to go over, and then just cook it all together. Do you know what I mean? Oh, it's going to be amazing. Sean always makes quality chili barbecue sauces. They're just a lovely. you see it? Do you want to see it? If I had my phone, I'd take yours over, but I'm not using my iPad to do that in case it drops in. Get the gravy underlay now. That's smelling so good. And look, back door, wide open. Let that go everywhere. Let everyone smell what I'm up to. Can you smell with the bonnet? It's cooking. Perfect. Aye, that. Lovely seared. On the go, on the go. It's looking amazing, smelling fantastic. It's just, I just love cooking with all the producers' products, mixing them all together and just doing something different. It's amazing. I love them all, so good. That gravy smells fantastic too. Wow. It's all amazing right now. Going well. So there we go. Definitely seared. Onto the tray. Next one. Smelling so good. Hope you're all enjoying your Wednesday, isn't it? Wednesday, middle of the week. That just smells, that boy, smells so good. What are you all up to today? Working, out in the sun? Aye, definitely, Kev, innit? Do you know what I mean? Just get them all and just go wild. Just use them and go mental. Second one, boom, on. So, get a wee bag, a bag of nuts it. Get some crunch over the top, on the bottom of the tray. Keep some of that for later, no? Do that. Top it off with the onions and mushrooms. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. And look at that bad boy. Out with a little gravy and get it on it. Oh. Probably a bit much gravy, but who cares? It's just going to soak through all that meat later. Oh, boom. Fantastic rump steaks for the night, folks. Oh, a big bad boy. And boom. Sit and let that rest until I start cooking it off a bit. I don't know, 4 o'clock or something. There we go, folks. That's my tea out. Enjoy your day, folks, and I'll see you in the garden shortly, Kev. See you later, folks. Enjoy your day, guys. Alright. Forget how to do this with this one.